Today, I am making our top 3 casseroles from Six Sisters. Now, some of you may not have known that we're not just a YouTube channel. We actually started as a website. And on that website, we have thousands of recipes that we've been making since 2011. Now, with those thousands of recipes come millions and millions of views and people making the recipes. So I'm so excited to share them with you today. Now, the first recipe is our chicken taco casserole. This was voted my kid's favorite out of the 3 casseroles. Now I want to show you how easy this is. So you're going to dump in cream of chicken soup, sour cream, some diced tomatoes with some green chilies, black beans, taco seasoning, some shredded chicken. Then you're just going to mix that all together. Then in a separate bowl, go ahead and crunch up some tortilla chips. You're going to layer those on a 9x13, add your chicken, add some cheese, then layer again, chips, chicken, and then cheese. Then you're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes until everything, well, the cheese is nice and melted. Now the best part about this is the toppings. I love some tomatoes. You can also add some green onions. It just adds so much flavor. The next recipe is our chicken cordon bleu casserole. Now this one was my husband's favorite. He loves chicken cordon bleu. Again, so easy to throw together. First, you're going to take some water and some butter and you're going to boil that together. Once it's all mixed, you're going to add your box stuffing, mix it all in, and then cover for a few minutes. Now in a separate bowl, you're going to add cream of chicken soup and Dijon mustard. Mix that together. You're going to add your cooked chicken, some broccoli, some diced ham. Again, mix it till it's well combined. Now put that mixture in the bottom of a 9x9 pan, add some Swiss cheese, then your stuffing, and you're gonna bake it. When it's all done, it is gooey, delicious. Oh, I love like the cheese pull there. Yeah, that's my favorite part. Now the last recipe is my favorite because I grew up with this. It's my mom's chicken Divan casserole. Now you're gonna start by steaming your broccoli. Then you're gonna put that in the bottom of a 9x13 pan. There you're gonna add cooked chicken. You're going to mix in a separate bowl cream of chicken soup, mayonnaise, lemon, and a little bit of curry powder. Mix that all together, that's your sauce. Put that right on top of your chicken. Add just a little bit of cheese. Now this is my favorite part. You get some bread that you cut up into small pieces, add a little bit of butter, mix that all together. Then you're gonna go ahead and put that right on top of your cheese and bake it just like that. Oh, when it's done, those little breadcrumbs that are buttery are probably my favorite part of this whole recipe. Now, if you want to make these recipes, make sure you save this video, or you can even share it with a friend so they can make easy casseroles too. All right, guys, if you want more casseroles, don't worry, plenty for you right up there. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.